How to free up space on your iPhone by deleting hidden apps. This might not work for everybody because not everybody has hidden apps, but here's how to find out if you do. Go to your home screen and scroll all the way to the right. Keep scrolling until you get to what's called the app library, which you see on the screen right now. It's basically a set of categories that lumps all your apps together in those categories. You'll start at the very top if it's your first time there. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see one called Hidden. Tap on that, unlock it with your face, and you'll see a bunch of hidden apps in there. Maybe, not everybody will. But if you do, those apps might not be necessary on your phone and they're just taking up space. So you can go ahead and delete them if you want. Just tap and hold on them, on any one of them, and choose Delete App, and it'll be deleted. If you want to keep the app but you don't want to have it be hidden, tap on Don't Require Face ID, and it will be removed from that folder, and it'll be visible again in this main area. Any apps in that hidden folder cannot be found in this main app list area. I hope that helps. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is all the different ways iPhones are tracking your movements and listening to you and how to turn those things off. Check out that video. I'll see you there.